Coming to paper 3, electrical estimation and utilization. In this, we have total 8 units, and first unit is domestic wiring. In domestic wiring, we are going to study about various types of house wiring and basic requirement of utilities, estimation, and materials, accessories, tools which we are required, which we are using in domestic wiring, and types of loads, types of sub-circuits, types of service mains, and designing of number of sub-circuits and distribution boards as per IE rules, preparation of wiring, installation plan, layout with light load and power loads, calculation of length of wire, how much wire we are going to use for house wiring. So these are comes under first unit, domestic wiring. And coming to second unit, power wiring. In power wiring, we are going to discuss about various types of power loads, wiring methods in small industries and agriculture, materials, same materials, accessories, tools required, and cost of the installation. One thing, domestic wiring is used in house wiring, and power wiring is nothing but industrial wiring and agriculture type of wiring. And in power wiring, we are going to calculate length of the cables and labor charges, and some problems related motors and irrigation pumps. Coming to third unit, low tension LT distribution lines and village electrification. In this, we are going to study about types of distribution lines, main components of overhead transmission lines, and estimation of quantity of materials, how much material is required, and also labor charges, three-phase, single-phase, domestic and industrial appliances, with and without street light provision, simple problems. And problems, we are going to discuss problems of street lights and lamps. Coming to third unit, and one thing in this topic, we are going to discuss about estimation of standard pro forma with quantity of material and accessories, and simple problems regarding this topic. Coming to fourth unit, estimation of distribution substation. In this, we are going to study our types of transformer substations and various components in substation, and preparation of estimation of schedule of materials, accessories, pole mounted and plinth mounted transformer. Pole mounted is nothing but a transformer is placed between two poles, and plinth mounted is transformer is placed upon the basement. Okay. Coming to fifth unit, theater or auditorium wiring and public address system. This topic, we are going to study a field visit also. After field visit, detailed report should be submitted to the following units. In this, we are going to study about basic requirement of an auditorium, what we required in auditorium, and second thing, general wiring layout of auditorium, preparation of estimation of electrification of small auditorium in standard pro forma, public address system, major components of public address system. What are the components we are using in public address system? Next thing is layout of public address system for hall, open ground, and estimation of quantity materials. This is how much expenditure we are going to spend on material, accessories, and equipments for public address system. Coming to sixth unit, IE rules. IE rules and departmental test. In this, we are going to study about IE rules of 1956 Code of Practice by T.S. Transco. In this, we are going to study about IE rules connected with domestic and industrial wiring. In first year, we have seen IE rules for earthing, IE rules for domestic wiring, and IE rules for general wiring, IE rules for power wiring. Okay, but in second year, it will be in depth. IE rules for connecting domestic and industrial wiring, and what are the rules are given to test an electrical installation, and departmental procedure for obtaining service connection. Coming to seventh unit, contracting. Contracting is nothing but if you were a contractor to contract an electrical work, what is the procedure to take a contract. One thing is, in this we are going to study about tender form. How will be a tender form is there, and caution deposit, how much you have to deposit money, and procedure for filling up tender form, agreement, and what is the agreement, how it will be there for contracting a work, after receive, how the amount will be received after completion of work. So these topics will be discussed in seventh unit. Coming to eighth unit, utilization of electrical energy. In this unit we are going to discuss how electrical energy is utilized. In this first topic is illumination lighting schemes, lamp levels of illumination for various application. Illumination is about how we are going to utilize the lights, lamps. Okay, second unit, design of in this second topic is design of lighting and lighting schemes, luminous efficiency, how we are going to design lamps for a auditorium or a house, and how we are going to utilize its most efficiency. Okay, and another topic is lamps for decoration and advertisement and lamps are different, and household lamps are different. So how what types of lamps are used for decoration, and what types of lamps are used for advertisement, those things we will discuss in 8th unit. And another topic in this unit is neon sign, flasher, halide lamps, modern LED lamps, and these are types of lamps, and how lamps are used in industrial applications of electrical energy, like heating, welding and heating, what is heating and what in welding. These topics we will discuss in this unit. And last topic is refrigeration and air conditioning, basic concepts and wiring diagram. And in last, refrigeration, fridge, we are using fridge in our household, how the working principle, how it is works, and how it makes cool for water and vegetables. And air conditioning principles and basic concept will be there in this 8th unit. Okay, uh, students, this is the syllabus copy of paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3, and next class onwards we are going to study about paper 1, electrical machines and power system. Okay, be ready. Thank you.